everyone, in this video we will be unboxing the Realme C51 smartphone. The Realme C51 is one of the latest smartphones from Realme with interesting specifications. Okay, let me show you. Inside this box, we can see that here we are provided with a protective case and a screen protector, and then the Realme C51 itself along with a Type-C charger. The Realme C51 brings a variety of intriguing specifications for an entry-level phone, including fast charging, ample memory, and NFC support. This new smartphone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery featuring 33-watt Super VOOC charge. This technology is capable of charging the battery to 50% within just 28 minutes. Regarding memory, the Realme C51 features 4GB of RAM which can be expanded by an additional 4GB, making the total RAM capacity of the device 8GB. This extra RAM is derived from the device storage memory, which is available in two options, 64GB and 128GB. Realme hasn't disclosed in-depth details about the processing power of the Realme C51. The brand, which was originally a sub-brand of Oppo, has mentioned that their new smartphone is powered by an octa-core chipset with efficient processing capabilities. The Realme C51 boasts a 6.74-inch display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The screen includes notes that can extend to display notifications, thanks to the mini capsule feature. On the camera front, the smartphone features a 50-megapixel AI-powered main rear camera, accompanied by a 0.08-megapixel, and additionally an 5-megapixel front-facing camera is available for selfies. Other features include NFC support, which allows the smartphone to read e-money cards from any position on the top of the device. There is also a fingerprint sensor on the side of the device for quick access, along with the Realme UIT Edition interface based on the Android 13 operating system. Okay, that's the specification of the Realme C51. Thank you.